Hello and welcome to day 7 of this, the Taskmaster Advent Calendar, which I have to say I am really enjoying so far.
It's so good.
It is
so
excellent
good.
fun. So far it's been really varied.
Yes, yeah. Lots of
And
different types of
fair
puzzles.
as well.
Fair, and I really like all the bits and pieces.
But not trivial.
No.
So actually really good balance.
Enjoyable.
Quite impressed. Actually,
By the
very
way,
impressed.
we're Dr. Gareth Moore and Laura Jen
Oh yeah,
S.
and we're puzzle and brain training authors.
Yeah.
We've written hundreds of books, but this is not one of ours.
This is not a book
Right,
that
this is
we've
made our
written.
puzzle post. So here we go. Yesterday we discovered that we were here.
Behind the snowman.
Behind the snowman.
And we've got a little map.
Oh, a little map of something to find.
And what's on the map? What's that thing?
It's had text about. I think it's a pneumatic
Usually
drill.
It's had text.
I think it's one of the pneumatic drills. Well, maybe not.
No, it's an easel upside down, which is
I
this.
preferred my explanation.
There is a little
Where's the
easel
easel?
on the front of the calendar, which is just here. Just here. There it is.
Oh, you're right. It's got an aubergine next to it.
It's got an aubergine. There's a couple of aubergines knocking about, actually.
Right, okay.
Okay,
There
day
we go.
7.
So it's made some sort of path. And on previous days, these doors have had information about the show. We have in here a envelope with the task for today,
Lovely.
which is, water cooler, peas, trophy, watermelon, treadmill, as I often say. Find us. You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now. Shall we have a look in the room in case it's relevant?
Yeah, let's. Ooh, we're back in this caravan.
We've seen this before, haven't we?
Yes, this was in a previous day because there was a bunch of grapes on the table, but there was no egg before.
Whoa.
There was a skull before, but there was no whatever that is.
Pineapple?
Pint?
Latte? No,
I think the pineapple was there before.
There was a drink there before.
Was there?
Yeah, there was. I saw
Okay.
it. There's a banana. It's just
Most intriguing.
there was a duck. Well, there we go. I'm not sure that room is relevant to the puzzle we're solving
No,
now.
but there might be a spot the difference type vibe later on. Okay. Are we going to find... What are we going to find in all these? Find us. Well, let's find them all first.
Okay, so...
What does it say?
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Where's the watermelon, Laura?
Yeah, Gareth was... Okay, great.
Watermelon there. I'll point to them with pens.
Then peas was in the corner, bottom right.
Here's the pens.
Trophy. I think that's our head. This is our trophy here.
Okay, trophy. I should probably use smaller things to point to them than pens.
Water. The first one was actually water cooler, not watermelon, but that's there.
Oh, did I read it wrongly?
You did, but that's
But
fine.
the watermelon's on there.
Watermelon's also on there.
Where's the water
Do we need
cooler?
water cooler just there?
Oh, you're right. Shall I circle them? No, it's going to be annoying on other days, isn't it?
So you've got hands. You could just use your.
Do you know what I could do? I could take the lids
Pointers.
off the pens.
Okay,
And use those.
great.
Or maybe just lie them down.
Resourceful.
And a water cooler.
And a watermelon. And the trophy.
I haven't done the water. Something I've missed out.
So the water. I haven't
trophy.
finished yet.
Oh, I see.
The water
Is
cooler.
this the trophy?
That's the trophy.
Right, okay.
Water cooler, peas, trophy, watermelon, and treadmill.
Right. Now what? What's
It
the
just
card
says
actually say?
find us.
Find us. You have until tomorrow. Maybe Findus. They make frozen peas, don't they? No, frozen horse meat or something, right? Anyway, so we've got. I don't really understand what we've
Do
got.
they have anything in
Maybe
common?
I shouldn't have
these
used things that
things?
roll.
Okay, they've got letters on them. There's a tiny T on there.
Oh, I was going to say we've opened a lot of the doors.
There's a really tiny T. There's a really tiny A on there.
Ooh, hang on.
Let's zoom in a lot.
All right, so over here,
A tiny little T.
a tiny little T.
Tiny little T. I'm going to write that down on my post-it note here. Got a
And then
tiny
over
T.
here on the trophy,
We've got a tiny little A.
it's not going to spell Taskmaster.
I don't think so. I haven't got enough things.
And over here-
Watermelon's got a tiny S.
Oh, it has. It's going to say task.
Well, only because we're reading them in this order. Water cooler's got
T.
a tiny T. And then the peas have got an O. Stoat or...
Stoat. What are we doing?
Well,
Sorry,
I'm
I didn't
guessing
mean
we're
to hit you.
anagramming this and then finding the thing that's on it.
Yeah.
It can't
Well,
be
it's got to be.
stoat.
It's got to be.
Do you want the
Why
pen
not
lid
stoat?
back?
It could be stoat.
Is there a stoat?
I mean, if it's stoat's an aubergine, yeah. Toast, I'm thinking is more likely anagram.
More likely toast.
And there's a lot of toast
There's
up
a
here.
big old toaster.
Shall we have
Should
a
we
look and
open
see?
that?
This
Don't
is
know why I
probably
went
us.
for stoat first.
Stoat-on-Trent, that well-known country. Country? Place. It's day 8. I don't know, what am I talking
No,
about?
you're hysterical.
Right, okay, well there we go. That is day 7 solved of the Taskmaster
Hooray.
Calendar, which we enjoyed. If you enjoyed it too, do please join us for day 8.
See you
Until
there.
then, bye-bye.
Bye.